How to post a video on WhatsApp status. WhatsApp statuses are becoming more and more popular. Besides photos, now you can also post videos. Share the beautiful moments you captured with your camera with your contacts. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. Open the WhatsApp application. Press on the Updates tab. Now we will use the standard procedure to add a WhatsApp status. To add a video to your status, click on My Status. Import the video from your phone's gallery by clicking on the icon in the bottom left corner. Find the video you want to post and tap on it. If you can't find the video, try using the Gallery tab, as I will do. If you wish, add a caption and further edit your status. Complete the adding process by clicking on the button in the bottom right corner. After a few seconds, the video will be added. If you now click on My Status, you will see the number of views on your status. That's all. Like the video and follow for more tutorials.